Lot S45 is a 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix with a 421 cubic inch V8 engine with tri-power and 405 horsepower, plus a 6-speed transmission, and it sold for $28,600 on Saturday, June 6th. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 58,243 miles. And like I said, it's a 421 with 405 horsepower V8, 6-speed manual transmission, exterior color teal, interior color black. And the highlights are 421, 405 horsepower V8 engine, tri-power setup, 6-speed manual transmission, teal with black interior, bucket seats, 8-lug wheels, and Firestone Firehawk white letter tires. And it doesn't say if it's a matching number engine or not, so I'm not sure if it came with a 421. They had 3 different versions available in 1963, and 2 of them had tri-power. One was 350 horsepower, and then the 421 high output option had tri-power and 370 horsepower. So I don't know if it came with the engine or if somebody put it in it. But either way, you've got a 421, 405 horsepower, plus a 6-speed. And it's a nice color, the turquoise. It's definitely an eye catcher, and it'll be pretty quick. So either way, you win. I think somebody got a great deal on this one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.